minutes remaining.
During that period of time, I'm sure. That said, Madam Speaker, I thank my friend for the debate and the time that he's allowed us. I thank all of our colleagues who came here. This H.R. 5 is going to be devastating to medical malpractice victims. Patients shouldn't have to pay the price for excessive malpractice insurance. If we want to reform the medical liability system, let us start with addressing insurance costs and physicians' premiums. Let us start with finding strategies to reduce and prevent mistakes and crack down on repeat offenders. Today, 5% of all doctors are responsible for 54% of malpractice claims paid. Let's not start with penalizing patients for injuries due to no fault of their own. Let's not give the American people another reason to believe that Congress is out of touch. Thousands of people die each and every year due to medical malpractice. This is not frivolous. We had 16 of our members come forward yesterday to offer amendments. We're going to have 6 hours of debate on 6, ostensibly because we in the Rules Committee, who have the power, refused to waive the power to allow those amendments to come in, some that included things such as not being able to allow a child 3 years old who may have a matter that doesn't manifest itself until he or she is 8 be barred because of time constraints. Measures that deal with, like the pediatrician in Delaware who raped 100 or more children, babies, and that position of physician would not be allowed for. I know that one would argue that some lawsuits are frivolous, and they are. I am a lawyer. I am a trial lawyer, and so I clearly support the trial lawyers. So is how that's understood with my bona fides. But when people are dying, that's not frivolous. And as I said, people want the best lawyer that they can find. Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to insert the text of the amendment in the record along with extraneous material immediately prior to the vote on the previous question. And I urge my colleagues to vote no. And to defeat the previous question, I urge a no vote on the rule, and I do so for the reason that this measure does nothing, is going nowhere, will go to the Senate, and will not pass, and everybody in this House knows it. We have to stop doing nothing and do something for the American people and jobs.